In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage groups in DocuSign. Managing groups in DocuSign is an efficient way to organize users and streamline administrative tasks, and I'm here to walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, we'll navigate to the e-signature admin section within DocuSign. This is the hub where you'll handle all your administrative tasks, including managing groups. Once you're there, click on the option labeled Groups. This will bring you to a page where you can view and manage all existing groups within your account. Next, you'll want to click on Administrators to view those with admin roles, and from there, select Everyone to get a comprehensive list of all the users who are part of these groups. This list is essential for quickly understanding the scope of your group memberships. Now, to begin modifying or creating groups, click on Actions. This is your gateway to numerous options you can use to edit groups or manage users. Once you've clicked on Actions, select the Users tab. This allows you to manage user assignments effectively. After that, click on Add Group. You'll be prompted to enter information about the new group that you wish to create. It's important to select this option if you're looking to tailor the groups more specifically for your organizational needs. Next, click on Group Name. When you do this, a text box should appear, allowing you to type the name of the group you intend to create. Give your group a meaningful name that reflects its purpose or the users who will be added to it. Once you've provided a name, proceed by clicking Add to create the group. Once your group is set up, you'll likely want to add members. Click on Assign Users to begin this process. Here, you'll see a list of potential users that you can add to your new group. Carefully select the users who should be part of this group by marking the appropriate boxes next to their names. With users selected, click Assign to finalize their addition to the group. If at any point you need to make further edits, remember you can always revisit this section. Should you need to remove or reassign users, the same process we've just covered applies. Additionally, should you need to make further modifications like renaming a group or even deleting it, you can do so by returning to the Actions menu. Here you have the flexibility to rename groups to maintain clarity or delete obsolete groups to keep your system streamlined. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your groups in DocuSign, organize user roles, and ensure that your electronic document signing process is as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.